Hi everyone! I am wearing my glasses today for our story time, and it is going to be a very lucky story time because it is called 5 Little Leprechauns. All right, let's see what these 5 little leprechauns are going to get up to. Okay. 5 little leprechauns hiding in the clover. One leaped up and then fell over. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more leprechauns hiding in the clover." Okay. 4 little leprechauns hiding in rainbows. One tripped up and bumped their toes. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more leprechauns hiding in rainbows." Oops, let's count them. 1, 2, 3. 3 little leprechauns hiding in the glen. One fell down and got up again. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more leprechauns hiding in the glen." These guys don't look like they're being very safe. 2 little leprechauns hiding by the lock. One splashed in and lost a sock. He lost it. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more leprechauns hiding in the lock, because you may lose your socks." 1 little leprechaun, boy, with a pot of gold. "Oh, I miss my friends," she said, so bold. There she is. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "Let those leprechauns hide their gold." The end. Very cute. 5 little leprechauns. Just in time for St. Patrick's Day. Thanks for joining us, and I hope you have a lucky day. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can find out all about our new content. Thanks for coming.